Jada Kingdom sends birthday greetings to Popcaan, the unruly boss, and she's also sending a warning to Artiste putting out her music before consulting with her.
I don't want nobody feel like saying me disrespect them or embarrass them, even though I'm heavily disrespected and embarrassed in this fucking music industry every fucking day because apparently people just don't rate me.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing well out there today. Now I just want to take the opportunity to shout out the unruly boss. Today is Earth Strong and it's July 19, 2021. So everybody a big him up, including him sister and plenty other people online. But Jada Kingdom posts a clip of her and Popcaan on stage from 2019 at Unruly Fest. So I'm going to show you that real quick. Then I'm going to tell you what she's saying at the caption. Take a look.
When the blackness leave alone, please don't show off no more. Come give me how I want, and I made my own Yeah, big up Jada. Big up what I said. I said them as girl. Where you go? Come here. Where you going? The people them not done with you yet. We're not done with Jada. Don't go. All who enjoy themselves, show up one and so. It's all you, Jada. You know I'm happy, yeah.
So along with that clip, she posts and she said in the caption, "Happy Earth Strong to the unruly boss at Popcaan Music." And she go on to say, "I will never forget my first time on Unruly Fest 2019 when I really wanted to disappear cause anxiety and bipolar depression did kill me, and you helped me finish my performance. Not even you knew what you were doing in that moment, but I respect you for always supporting me from before I even started my career till now. Not for going on all of that cause you know the effing vibes. Just know say Unruly Twinkle love you. More life, blessing and prosperity me G. Hashtag Unruly State. Hashtag one side." So yeah people, like me say a whole heap of people I big up the unruly boss on his birthday. It's still early in the day. We don't really see him post nothing yet or nothing like that. But yeah, just shout him out one more time. And I like people, I would encourage you just give my yell up in the comment section, alright? But people have another video with Jada Kingdom, and in this video she's talking about people putting out song that they did together, collaboration, without finalizing with her and saying if she like it or not. She has said she just did it and just boom, she sits and drop with her, and she don't really like how the song sound, you know what I mean? So I have a video with her. I'm gonna make she talk and tell her what's going on. Take a listen.
So I have something to say. I don't want nobody feel like saying me disrespect them or embarrass them, even though I'm heavily disrespected and embarrassed in this fucking music industry every fucking day because apparently people just don't rate me. Alright. But why you can't just make me know when you want to release the music video them and the song them, so at least me can hear the song before it release, so I can hear my voice sound, so I'm pleased with my vocals, you know. Like, I wake up out of the blues out of nowhere. I have music video out. I don't even know when music video drop. Everybody asks, "Oh, I'm not promoting." I don't know. What me I do wrong? Like, what me I do wrong? I have a very unique tone, so not everyone knows how to mix my vocals. So I like to use my people them for mix my vocals and send it cross. You see, all my fucking send it cross, so someone want it stay. Unless me say tweak something, nudge something, boop 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 something. Like, I get no fucking respect. I don't know.
But I still have some more of what she has said. That's not all of what she said. But so far I hope you understand what I'm going. So she has said like she do song with people and then put out the song before letting her hear the final product. Right? So she just wake up and the song is out. But also may have a caption where explain who she might or might not have talked about. So let's hear what she has to say again.
I love to collab. I love to collab with other artists. I love do it from the song Bad. Song just bad. Simple. I love like when you have talent. I just me that. I me that. Right? So at least just make me aware when you want to drop the song at least, you know? Send me the mix or whatever you do to the song, make me hear it, you know? Like, I'm on the song too, like, I'm listening to this shit and it's like, why it sound like that? Why it sound like that? Like the supporters on Onaga really can't tell like that, you understand? But why? Because people don't understand. You guys don't understand. You're in my DM dragging me, saying I'm not supporting the artist and I'm not promoting the music video and all this crap. But the artist not support me. The artist not fucking support me. Send the song, let me hear the song so I can approve of the fucking song to come up on the song too. My begs, man. But sure. I could have a good day now. And it's not terrible. The song isn't terrible. But that's not how I sent it. Now you understand why I feel a type of way. That's not how I sent it. It sounded way better than that. Just imagine. And that's why I said fans and supporters, you guys won't understand. Like the artist's ears different from phone ears. At this point, I don't like anything. But I don't like. I don't understand. Say sometimes a song have a record like 3, 4, 5 times before you get to the final. It have a mix like 10 fucking times sometimes before you get. Okay, I'm done talking.
So the video was posted on the Twinkle Fan Club page, and this is what the caption said. It said, public service announcement, at Jada Kingdom is a Virgo. They are perfectionists. Please understand that Jada is an artiste and takes her craft very serious. Whether it's her song or a feature, I deleted the feature with at up top boss official, so that's TJ, because another version will be uploaded. And in parentheses they say, no, this video isn't about that song, so it's not about the TJ song, right? So I said, please stop telling the artists what to do and respect their decision to not promote something if they don't approve of it. Do not approve of it, sorry. Right? So that's what the fan page has say. And from when I see with that fan page, it official, you see me, it's like one of the bigger page for Jada Kingdom, and them always a rep. You know, you have certain page where the artists them will recognize. This seems to be one of them, right? So people, I don't know exactly which song it is. Maybe you want to know more than me. You see what I say? Maybe you want to see a song just released with Jada and somebody else. If you don't know, go, please do tell down in the comments section, you see me. So other than that, I'm just gonna leave it right there. If it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody stay safe out there. Have a wonderful day. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me, that's an IG, rich, punk, should know, 10 to blacks, yeah,